Hey everyone, Eric Woldridge here of the Additive Guru channel and director of the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCTCS. And behind me, as many of you know, this is the site of Kentucky's first concrete 3D printed house. We now have the forms in place, gravel, moisture barrier for the turn down slab that's going to happen. Everything is set and we'll be doing the pour in the next few days. Weather has been an issue, it's created some delays, and as many of you all know, this region, specifically just a few number of miles from this very spot, was hit with an F4 tornado. And the destruction, of course, was just unbelievable. Our hearts and our prayers go out to folks that have suffered from this situation. And if anything, it has galvanized us in our overall mission to actually bring the technology to Kentucky, bring it to bear on these type of problems, but allow for better engineering, better design, better production to create structures that can take these type of hits, whether it be a flood or potentially another tornado. To use the technology to make things better for folks and make things that will last. So it has been a humbling time for us all, but made what we do that much more critical. So as always, thank you all for the support. For our region, for what we're doing specifically. We will share with you the upcoming events and the live, print day that we'll be welcoming everyone to come see. It's going to be a big moment for us all. So as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with us through this process. Let us know if you have any questions, and just keep watching. We'll have more updates for you as we get closer, and of course those big announcements. We'll see you.